The second special sitting of the National Assembly in a week was full of drama yet again, as members of parliament turned on each other in a conflict triggered by proposed amendments to the electoral law. The Jubilee side was agitating for changes to the Election Laws Amendment Act to include a clause that will grant the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission the leeway to use manual systems during the 2017 elections if technology fails. In the chambers, live broadcast of today's proceedings were temporarily switched off, a repeat of what happened on Tuesday night, and it is understood that it was at this point that CORD and Jubilee MPs engaged in a fistfight. CORD MPs walked out in protest, leaving Jubilee MPs in the chamber to continue with the day's business. Soon after, the live broadcast of the session resumed. Embakasi South MP Irshad Sumra and Tigania East MP Mporo Awori are among those who left with scars on their faces.
We have information that yesterday at the Kamkunji they held at State House, members of Jubilee were instructed to use the most lethal and unreasonable force against our members.
Order, members.
In the chamber, the Jubilee side took record time to effect amendments to the election laws, aided by a chorus of unanimous approvals. A Gazette notice issued on Tuesday indicated that business had been earmarked to proceed beyond the morning session, but in about an hour, House business had been conducted and the House sent back to recess. A jubilant Jubilee side left the chambers in a jovial mood, breaking into song and dance. Theirs, they say, was a deserved win. They insist it was a win for the people of Kenya.
CAK has confirmed that more than 60% of our country is not covered by 3G.
However, CORD still insists the elections can be done electronically.
Today, KCP and KCSE results are all online. Driving license is online. Police abstracts are online. Tax returns online. E-citizen online. Communication online. News and information online. Government tenders online. Election application jobs. To apply to work for IEBC itself nowadays, you apply online. You don't do manually. Amidst everything being done online, including election application jobs, how come some people want us to believe elections cannot be done in a digital manner using digital records with cloud and backup power?
The precincts of Parliament today witnessed unprecedented levels of security as more than 200 officers in plain clothes were brought in to reinforce the orderlies who usually man Parliament. All this with the insistence of the passage of the election laws.
For the first time in the history of the Parliament of the Republic of Kenya, the Speaker of Parliament was escorted to the chamber by armed policemen numbering not less than 50.
The law is to be presented to the Senate before it is signed into effect. Kennedy Murithi, NTV.